Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Finally, I'm back with a new recipe and it couldn't be more perfect for fall. It's a ciambellone, which is an Italian pound cake made with pumpkin and chocolate chips. I'm gonna try it because why not? And it's so soft, so delicious. It couldn't be more perfect for these colder days. As always, I'm gonna write all the ingredients down below, so go check them out. But as always, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and let's start right away with the recipe. You're gonna need a KitchenAid or you can mix it by hand, but it's gonna take longer. You need 4 eggs. They have to be room temperature, so you should take them out of the fridge a couple of hours before baking. Break them in the KitchenAid and you're gonna add half a cup of sugar or 60 grams, whatever measure you prefer, and start mixing with the whisk. Add a little pinch of salt. And while it's mixing, you add 3 tablespoons of honey, which is 50 grams, a little at a time. And now you have to let it mix for at least 10 minutes. This is a little trick that I always use. With a little torch, I'm gonna heat up the sides of the ball, so you're gonna see that the eggs will whip so much better. They're gonna be so much fluffier. And after 10 minutes, when the eggs and the sugar are light and they incorporate so much air, you're gonna add 3/4 of a cup of olive oil, which is 140 grams, a little bit at a time, not all together. But when you add the whole oil, you're gonna turn the KitchenAid right off. I'm gonna show you the consistency of the mixture we have right now. I'm gonna add 1.5 cup of pumpkin, which is 200 grams, and we're gonna need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, which is 350 grams, and we're just gonna add half to the mixture. And you have to try to mix it fast without losing all the air that you incorporated before. Now you're gonna add 1 cup of chocolate chips, which is 150 grams. Mix it with 2 tablespoons of baking powder, a tablespoon of cinnamon, and a tablespoon of ginger, which is not mandatory. If you don't like them, you don't have to put them. And add everything to the bowl. Continue mixing. And right away, you're gonna add the flour too. Again, we're trying to be as fast as possible because we don't wanna unwhip the eggs. I don't know if that makes sense. When everything is mixed, we're gonna take a pan. This is exactly for the ciambellone because it has a hole in the middle and I think it's very pretty, but you can just use a regular cake pan. I put some butter and flour to not make it stick, but you can just use a non-stick spray. We transfer all the butter in the pan, level it up. I'm gonna add some oats on the top, but you don't have to if you don't want to. And you're gonna bake it for 40 minutes at 360 Fahrenheit on 180 Celsius. And here's the ciambellone or cake. It's so good, the smell is amazing. I'm gonna put some powdered sugar on top just to make it a little more pretty. And here's the cut. I can't tell you how good it is, but I think it looks pretty good to see too, so you kind of have an idea of what it tastes like. And if you're like me that love desserts with pumpkin, you really can't go wrong. You can see how soft it is. And that's it for this recipe. It was very quick and easy. I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, if you did, please leave me a comment below. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you very soon. Bye.